Hey guys, what's up? It's AppleCritics from AppleCritics.com. In this video, I'm going to be talking about Apple Music finally coming over to Samsung Smart TVs. Now, this is a huge step towards Apple becoming a services company, and it also is just nice to be a Samsung Smart TV owner as well, as you finally get the Apple TV app and you get the great Apple Music finally on your Samsung Smart TV. Now, before I get into the nitty-gritty details, the Samsung Smart TV that's compatible with Apple Music is only 2018 and newer. So if you have a 2017 Smart TV from Samsung, then this will not be able to work, so you cannot stream Apple Music on those older devices. So 2018 and up, and then you're good to go. Now, it's very simple to install the Apple Music on your Samsung Smart TV. All you have to do is just look in the app section and search for Apple Music, and then you'll be able to get it. Now, once you finally install Apple Music on your device, so on the navigation bar, you will have the For You, Browse, Videos, Library, Now Playing, and Settings. Now, under For You, you'll have the curated music playlist for you and suggestions. Now, the overall suggestions and the design layout and UI looks great and actually looks better than Spotify. Now, under Browse, you'll have other music and recommendations. Videos, you'll have your music videos, and then you have radio as well. And your library contains all your iCloud music that you have saved to iCloud. And then Now Playing is your current playing song. And then Search, you can search for any particular song. Now, overall, I have no complaints about Apple Music on the Samsung Smart TV. It has the same layout as on the iPhone, and it's basically the same Apple Music that we've come to know and love for its overall great interface and what it has to offer in terms of the music selection. Now, this could be a sign of things to come with Apple, as they can possibly port over the podcast app, because that would be amazing, because I am a huge and avid podcast listener. And if Apple could bring the Apple Arcade as well, that would be great. And it would actually be a signal that maybe Apple might not be producing the Apple TV anymore, because that's something that we also have to consider. If Apple is bringing Apple Music to Samsung Smart TVs, what is the fate of the Apple TV? When you can go ahead and get a Chromecast for maybe $35 and Apple is selling Apple TVs for $200, then it kind of forgoes the point. So Apple is also transitioning to be a services company, and they're trying to collect as much monthly subscription revenue as possible. So this could be very plausible that Apple will want to implement their software in terms of podcasts and Apple Arcade and Apple Music in as many television manufacturers as possible. Apple still does confirm that the Apple TV is still on its way, and they're planning on making a 5th generation. So we'll just have to wait and see. Now, Apple is just being very creative in just bringing Apple TV, the app, their own Netflix pretty much, to Samsung Smart TVs, and with just bringing Apple Music, possibly Apple Arcade and podcasts, could bode well for Apple in the long term. So thank you for watching this video on Apple Music on the Samsung Smart TV. Please be sure to leave a like, and it would help me out greatly. And be sure to leave a comment down below, and I'll definitely respond to your comments as well. Be sure to like my Facebook fan page at facebook.com/AppleCritics. Same with my Twitter and Instagram at the Instagram handle of AppleCritics. And be sure to subscribe for more great content. And thanks for watching.